Today's a bunch of fun. Okay, you know, a couple of weeks ago, it was time to head to the Overland Expo in Flagstaff, and Parnell and I were under the gun to get the Transformer kitchen assembled so that we could hit the road and make it on time. So we've been working on the Transformer kitchen for quite a while. If you guys have followed along this series, if not, go back and take a look at the videos, and you know, we got all kinds of them. We've been through cardboard-aided design, design on paper, computer-aided design. We built it out of cardboard, then we built it out of wood to make sure that all the hinges and all the mechanisms worked correctly. And then, you know, once you machine the parts out of billet aluminum, it better fit. So did it fit? We're gonna find out. Now the kitchen, you guys, what do you need from a kitchen? Probably very similar to Corey and I, but let's list a couple of things. One, it has to be durable. You guys use your equipment. You use it, you abuse it. You go off grid, you go down rough trail, and we're like extreme on equipment use. So it had to be absolutely durable. Now, before you guys go saying that I need a leg on the end of the kitchen to hold it up, you know what those hinges are rated at before it fails? 900 pounds. You can sit on it, doesn't need a leg. So it's super durable, second thing. Second thing is it needed to be quick to deploy. Now, I know the whole point is to slow down when you're out in nature, right? It's a very good point. But you wanted to be able to deploy your camp quickly, especially if you're traveling every single day and it's something you have to do every morning, every night. You want it to be quick. But there's another consideration. Let's take a random example. Say, random example, you accidentally, because you showed up at night, camp in a wash. And that night there's a rainstorm and the waters are coming. Random example. You gotta get moving quickly, so you want it to be able to close up quickly. And then the third thing is a wide variety of uses. You guys know I will eat a cold hot dog in a cold tortilla with some cheese. I'm good, get on down the trail. But if you guys are gonna Lewis and Clark it, or you're gonna go on a longer expedition into uncharted lands, every once in a while, you wanna prep a good meal. 3-course meal. You want your potatoes, your meat, your So, whether you're just boiling water for a cup of coffee, doing something quick, or you are gonna, let's call it a chef's kitchen. You need a chef's kitchen out there on the Grand Canyon, on the edge, looking over you want an awesome kitchen. It has to serve a variety of different uses. Man, Parnell delivered on the design. So he helped me with the drawer system in the back of the 80. You guys, those plans are available over at overlandbound.com for free if you need a drawer system for your rig. And then he turned his attention to this kitchen, which you are about to watch us assemble. Under the gun, having to hit the road. I don't even know if we made it. Let's find out. It's early. We're not awake.
It's early.
It's early. It's so dark, dirty early.
But we need to get a box on here, and we've only got 1 out of 4 boxes half done, so we got a lot of work to do before 10 a.m.
We got work to do. 10 a.m. It's wheels rolling to the expo, so let's go. Parnell's cutting out panels in the other room. I'm finishing the panels and assembling the boxes.
I'm gonna make this part right now. I just cut the material for it right here.
Okay, I'm putting in the last screw. Boom. Now we're cooking. We're done. Well, 80%.
80%. Still gotta do the wiring.
Yeah.
Still gotta do the plumbing for the gas and the plumbing for the water. But the kitchen is functional.
Yeah.
It does not require a leg. You can sit on it.
Yep, great. Okay, cool. Now we're on the road.
We're on the road.
Let's go.
Let's go.